Okay, I'm getting off trail. I'll explain it to you in a little bit. I'm back here at the camper. I'm in Corner Brook. I've got 40 kilometers done out of the 250. And if I have time to go back and do it, I'll do it. If I don't, I'll do part of it. You know, that's the whole point of all of this, is that there's no pressure, there's no impetus to get something done or have a feather in my cap or do anything. I do this for pleasure, and that's it. So, but that's the update. I'm off trail now, and I'm just going to focus on my knee. I'm going right now over to the hospital here in Corner Brook. It's the best facility on the west side of the island. Medical here is not very good, I gotta say. Compared to the rest of Canada, this is not the place you want to get hurt.
There's a lot of boxes.
Alright, well, I'm here. I'm at where I was when I left. Yeah, okay, so just gonna tent here tonight and get up in the morning and go, but not before I get a breakfast sandwich. For sure, it's gotta be done. Breakfast sandwich, and then I got about 15 clicks to the next water. I really gotta watch my water here. Okay, let's do the silly check. Alright, looks good. Okay, so I'm at the Mountainside General Store in Doyle's on the IAT, and you guys gotta come here. You gotta check it out. It's great. They got sandwich, they got everything you need for resupply. And these lovely ladies here, they helped me out, did let me stay in the back, gave me the Wi-Fi password, everything. So you gotta check this out, everyone. Okay, back on the trail. It's been a few days. Not 4, I guess, something like that. 40 click, well, almost, what, 30, 36, 37 clicks in. That's it. I know. And I did that in one day, which was, I broke all my own rules. It was horrible. So, nice and easy. Let's go get it. Let's get some views. Let's do this. I got about 36 minus 250 minus 36. I got a little over 200 to go. Get back to the camper. So, yes. What is that? I checked it. Doesn't work. Could have had some tunes. Alright, so about 3 clicks up here is supposed to be a little river or creek, whatever you call it. And that's good because I do need water. And if I can pitch a tent there, I'd like to try that. My left hip's bugging me a bit. So I'm going to do an adjustment, chiropractic adjustment. Thanks, Doc. You're the best. He showed me how to adjust myself. Okay, I'm gonna have to find a spot, I think. There's a bit of a storm coming in. I'd like to set up before, that. And it's really boring. You see that behind me? It's just, today is nothing. It's just old railroad tracks cut through the middle of some woods. So, I mean, I don't mind it. But as far as getting some views, nah, not so much. This right there is about everything I've seen all morning, all day. It's not morning anymore, but yeah. Grand Caudroy River is their backyard. That's nice. I like that. I don't want to camp down there. Yeah, I would camp here if I was allowed. It's private property. Oh well. He said I can sit here for a while, but not camp. We're talking to them. We're starting to get into this area now where I'm noticing a few houses and stuff. So I don't know what's going on there. But all of this is private. Is it ever gorgeous though, eh? Wow. Check this out. I'll show you what I mean. I could probably get down there, but it'd be a bit of bushwhacking. I'm just gonna wait. My own advice being slow down. Like, you know, it's getting out of hand. I just get out of the gate and it's like, I just want to go, you know? But anyways, it's all good. So today I'm going to try and keep it under 15 and just, you know, work my way up. Like I say, if I could take a couple more of these breaks, that would be good because my hip's bugging me, my left hip. So I'd like to maybe just lay up and ride out this storm. There's a storm. It's raining now, but it's not bad. But it's going to get worse in a little while. Oh, we got some ATVs behind us. Okay, 4 more clicks. Think we can do it? There's supposed to be something there. I mean, unless I find something sooner. But if I do the 4 clicks, that means I'll have done 16, 17. Shoot. Unless I find something sooner. I'll look for something sooner. And it's starting to really rain, so we gotta move. We gotta get moving. I don't want this getting wet. Okay, this is it. I know what you're thinking. That's pretty bad, but I'm thinking right here, to be honest. Where else am I gonna go? Seriously. You know, I need a spot. I got water within a couple clicks, and I got over a liter and a third maybe, so I'm good for that. But I mean, if I need to, the highway's right here. That's my biggest worry about this. All right, well, so much for that. Can't get a peg in the ground. It's just becoming a real issue here. I don't know what to do. Just can't get any pegs in the ground. I had a hard time back at that store too, but they helped me. They had a sledgehammer and it busted one of my pegs. So I'm already down a peg. You know what? I'm about ready to give this up. This is just crazy. There's just so many things stacked against you. You know, just, I don't know. Anyway. And it's not really a trail. It's a railroad track. Okay, yeah, the tracks are out, but it's not. I like trees. I like roots. I like rocks. I like climbing. I like camp spots. Like a camp spot. Not have to sit there and set up on a road hoping ATVs don't run me over. Like, this is not a well-planned trail in my opinion. It's just not. And I know I'm sitting here bitching, like, just shut up, groceries. But you know what? Yeah, it's getting frustrating. I'm almost tempted to just go back, grab the rig, go over to the East Coast. They got trails over there, like the East Coast Trail. It's awesome. You know, nice little 3-4 day excursions. The Starlight Trail, there's a good one. The Cabox, highest point in Newfoundland. That'd take 2 or 3 days, probably. There's so many of them. Why did I pick this one? I know why. It's because I was on the AT and I wanted to finish the AT. Well, not finish it, but like the AT, the IAT, like in Quebec, beautiful. Oh my God, wow. I would do that again. You know, because it's a trail. It's like a, I don't know how to describe it. It seems like it was an afterthought. Oh, these midges are, I call them midges. I don't know what they are, but they're really bad right now because of the rain. So I'm going to stick my thumb out and just, I don't know, regroup. This is the second time out here. And it's just not happening for me. I'm not feeling it at all. In fact, I'd rather be anywhere but here right now.